How to hand feed wild birds. Hand feeding wild chickadees has been a great experience for me. Now, I share my tried and true method with you. Step 1. Set up a feeder. This first step, you have to get the birds coming to a single location. Whether it's seeds or suet, you have to let the chickadees know you've got food. Step 2. Approach them. This takes patience. Get the birds used to your presence. Observe the chickadees feeding and get a little closer every day. Eventually, you can do this. Step 3. Become the feeder. This is the fun part. You can take advantage of the bird's relative comfort with you and literally become the feeder. It won't take long before the chickadee's curiosity coaxes them right to your hand. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.